What happened when we unite? What happened when we unite? Who are we? Who are we? Who are we? What happened when we unite? What happened when we unite? What happened when we unite? Remember, your deepest fear is not that you are inadequate. Your deepest fear is that you are powerful beyond measure. Sometimes you may ask yourself, who are you to be brilliant, gorgeous, talented, fabulous? Actually, who are you not to be? You are born to make manifest the glory of God that has been deposited within you. And as you let your light to shine, you unconsciously give other people the permission to do the same. Remember, we are whole team. We should be friends. Be your brother's keeper. Be your what?
Brother's keeper.
Be your what?
Brother's keeper.
Work together as a team. Help your classmates. Help them to become better version. You understand me?
Yes,
this is the 6th week. We are preparing for our midterm test. Grow stronger in learning. Work together as a team. Study together. Share knowledge. Be a better version of yourself. And make sure you're a better student this week. Is that a promise?
Yes, sir.
Is that a promise?
Yes, sir.
Who are we? Who are we? So what happened when we unite? What happened when we unite? Good morning, everybody.